Your best customer conversations happen on WhatsApp, but if they never reach your CRM, they're gone the moment you close the chat. Eazybe backs up your WhatsApp conversations straight into HubSpot, so every message and file is right there in your CRM. And here's the quiet part. It syncs automatically every 3 minutes, no clicking required. Let's walk through it. Once you're connected, chats with any contact that exists in HubSpot back up on their own. The initial setup grabs your last 3 days of history, and from there, it keeps everything current. Turn a contact off and new backups stop, but everything already synced stays put. And it's not just text. Images, PDFs, documents, audio, video, every attachment comes along too, stored right in the WhatsApp activity object on each contact's record as a clickable link. You can also find your backups anywhere it matters. Open a contact's profile to see the WhatsApp activity section right in their timeline. And the same conversations show up on the deals page and the company profile, so the context follows the deal. And you can trust where it all lives. Eazybe never stores your messages on its own servers. It's just the connector. Your chats sync straight into HubSpot through official API. So you keep complete ownership, fully GDPR and CCPA compliant. So every conversation, every file lands safely in HubSpot, automatically and on your terms. Start backing up your chats today.